Why does your scanner show the P2189 engine code? What does it mean? P2189 is a diagnostic trouble code for System 2 lean at idle bank 2. This error code indicates that the air-fuel mixture in the engine's bank 2 is too lean, which means too much air, not enough fuel, while the engine is idling. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: fuel delivery problems, vacuum leaks, sensor issues, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, Chevrolet Silverado, and Range Rover. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.